Hi, Pete Miller here. This is part of the Songkran Happy New Year water blessing. And this is the end of the dry season and the beginning of the wet season. Let's hope. Oh, we're going to switch cameras now. And there's the dumb dog, the black dog, and there is Minnie doing the water. Tell us what you're doing, darling.
ส่งน้ำพระคอส่งน้ำพระ
Yeah.
คอส่งน้ำพระ here
Yeah. And she's pouring the water.
for good luck.
For good luck?
Yeah.
For the next year.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
New year, right?
And the water is from where? From here. The special. Oh, it's got the flower,
Yeah, and
dok mai, and what's that?
tamarind.
Tamarind. Okay, all right. And you're pouring it over the Buddha. And this is the Buddha that we use every day. Basically, this is we make an offering to this. It's in our kitchen, which is kind of over there. It usually sits over there.
For my mom.
And this is for Minnie's mum. There, a picture. That's a nice picture. And we've got some banana and song and and the dog come to say hello as well. Right? That's we call it dumb dog. Dumb is black in Thai. So not really dumb, very smart dog, but I'm going to have mine there. And of course, this is extended when you go into Chiang Mai and Bangkok and all the tourist places, they just spray you with water. But this is the original traditional way of pouring Thanksgiving water, the blessing. It's Sawadi Pi Mai. Right? So I'm beautiful. There's some money in there. Thank you. Minnie's mom,
Yeah.
being a very good person. And now I'm going to say thanks, Minnie. Thank you, Thailand. And Happy New Year. Huh?
โอเครวยgood luck Happy สงกรานต์ค่ะ
Sabadi Imai. This is the traditional.
อาบน้ำคนเก๋
Nam Gonje.
คนเก๋
And so this is normally the old people,
Yes.
like Minnie's mother, but she's not here. So I'm being substituted for the old person, even though I'm not an old person. Oh, it feels nice. It feels nice.
ก็อายุมั่นขวัญยืนขอบคุณนะ
Good luck. Well, I can really smell that water with the flower, dok mai.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Wow.
อายุมั่นขวัญยืน and good luck
Yeah. Good luck for the next year. This is Happy New Year. Most beautiful person in the world, this one. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We're wishing ourselves good luck for the next year.